Hi, my name is Will from Edwards Sound Systems, and I'd like to introduce you to our range of portable sound systems. Now, each of the units you see on this table are battery powered and can give you up to 10 hours of continuous use. Now, we'd be sure to find a suitable solution for your specific needs, ranging from a 480 watt system outside on a sports field down to a little 10 watt system for smaller gatherings. And I'd like to show you the Apex Pro. Now, this is the largest unit in our portable range. It's a 240 watt active speaker system. As you can see, this unit is perfect if you're out on an open field, you need to cover a large area of people. Even with that noisy lawnmower in the background, it's still clear. Also, I'm standing right at the back here. You can hear the delay of the speaker. It's quite far, but it's still working. It's still covered this whole field, even though there's a lawnmower going on there. So the Apex Pro is modular, which means you've got 4 slots here that you can put some modules in depending on what you want to use it for. What I've got here is a wireless microphone receiver. If you've got a wireless microphone, a Chaya wireless microphone, you can use it with this unit. You can add 3 more, so you can have 4 wireless microphones going at the same time, or you can add a Bluetooth unit or a USB media player and recorder. In addition to the modules, we've got our regular inputs here, like 2 microphone inputs that you can switch to line. It's got a combination plug for XLR and TRS jack. For these 2 channels, there's a vocal reverb that you can turn on and off and turn the level up and down, as well as voice priority. And so what that means, if that button is engaged, when you have music playing, the moment you start talking through the microphone, the music cuts out. Turn your mic off, music fades back in. If you want to connect your phone, there's a little 3.5mm connector jack that you can plug your phone in, or again a TRS or XLR input with its own separate volume control for your line in. 3-band equalizer, high mids and lows, and then your master volume. As I mentioned before, you can connect an 8 ohm speaker to this jack. It's an output of 240 watts. There's a companion speaker for this. It's exactly the same size, just without the bells and whistles. You can connect that. It's a passive speaker with its own volume dial. This unit also has a Bluetooth unit built into it. So there's your Bluetooth control. All you need to do is press the switch button. It'll search for your phone. You connect your phone, play your music, do the volume up and down from the phone. It's got an active out to connect to other powered speakers or mixing desks. There's a digital in for digital audio players, which is basically USB. Right there is where you plug in your power supply to charge your battery. And as I said, you can get up to 10 hours of continuous use on battery power. Lastly but not least is the main power switch. As you can see, the unit has got little wheels on it, and as well as an extendable trolley arm, so you can pull it around, don't have to carry it all the way to your gig. One last cool feature is a storage compartment up top here. Just open that up and you can store 4 microphones. It could be wireless transmitters, like belt pack transmitters, or your full handheld microphone, as well as your power supply. If you need more information on this or any other portable system, please go to our website at edwardsnz.co.nz.